Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see if your Windows 10 computer, laptop, or tablet device is compatible with Windows 11. So there are workarounds available if it's not supported, but they're a little bit more involved, and there are workarounds for that. However, I just want to show you guys if Microsoft says you're using quote-unquote supported hardware or not. So this is going to be using the PC Health Checker utility that was taken offline by Microsoft a while ago, right after Windows 11's beta was announced. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download that utility, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice and just open up Google, and in the Google search, just search for PC Health Check Windows 11. And it should say something that says upgrade to the new Windows 11 OS, and it should be a Microsoft domain, so go ahead and open that up. I will have this link in the description of my video here, guys. And you want to just go ahead and scroll down. And underneath check for compatibility, go ahead and select the download PC Health Check app. And go ahead and run the setup file once it's done downloading. And you can minimize or close out of the web browser. And you want to accept the terms of the license agreement and then select install. And then you want to go ahead and open the Windows PC Health Check and select finish. So now at this point, underneath introducing Windows 11, let's check if this PC meets the system requirements. If it does, you can get the free upgrade when it's available. Go ahead and select check now. And you can see it says our PC does not meet the current requirements. In our case, it doesn't support secure boot. TPM 2.0 must be supported and enabled on this PC. Must be at least 4 gigabytes of RAM. And you can see there's a whole laundry list of items here with this particular machine here. System disk needs to be 64 gigabytes or larger. And the PC is now running 64-bit Windows. If you have a 64-bit processor, you can install Windows 11. You just would have to do a clean install instead of doing an upgrade. So just keep that in mind, and you can also see all results by clicking on that button. And you can see what your system does support and what it doesn't. So pretty straightforward. Select device specifications here, and it'll give you a whole rundown of different requirements here as to what is necessary to run Windows 11. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.